Good morning. It's a nice sunny day, sea's relatively calm. I've come to this beach because lots of the others are completely still full of seaweed from the storms before Christmas. Tons and tons of seaweed. This is a picture I took a few days ago of another local beach full of seaweed. So far, been on the beach for a short while, found 10 cents. I've had to change my detector from the CTX3030 to my Excalibur II. Got a problem with it, so need to investigate. Anyway, I'm going to carry on the hunt. Talk to you later. Okay, going to target here. So what we got? One. Oh, there it is. $0.20. Well, it's good. You know I like padlocks. This time I've got a padlock with a cable. Look at that. I'm sure that will come in handy for something or other. Not sure what. Let's put it in my pouch. Like it. Just here. A few rocks. Got it. There's the rock. Oh, and there's a coin. It's, I don't know what it is. So green. Oh, it's a euro coin. Yeah, target just there. Something a bit different, so I'm not quite sure what it is. It's like a normal coin or anything. It's a battery. So it doesn't sound like a coin. Little things throw away. Rougher as well. It's not good. The wind's turned around, so it's coming in from the seaside. Is not encouraging. Tell time from this morning's adventure. Quite a few coins, so it wasn't too bad. Most of them looks like they've been in the sea for quite some time. So that was quite good. Another padlock, amazing. Haven't come across any for a while, and then all of a sudden I get three. On 3 outings. My CTX3030 is playing up, unfortunately. It's coming up with an error saying it's not detecting the coil. It works for a few minutes, then stops working, so I'll be using my Excalibur I think for the next couple of weeks until I get that sorted. So at the moment I'm not sure it was the coil or the detector itself, but I expect it's the coil. That will no doubt get sorted out pretty quickly. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you next time.